Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Roman law and governance in the Roman Empire. Join me as we unravel the legal system that shaped an empire and left an indelible mark on the world. Roman law was a remarkable achievement of the ancient world. It provided a foundation for legal systems that followed, and its principles are still relevant today. The Romans believed in the concept of legal equality, ensuring that all individuals, regardless of their social status, had rights and responsibilities before the law. The Roman legal system was based on the Law of the 12 Tables, a comprehensive code that covered civil and criminal law, property rights, contracts, and family law. These laws brought stability and predictability to Roman society. To administer justice, the Romans developed a hierarchical judicial system. The praetor, the highest judicial authority, issued edicts and presided over civil cases, setting legal precedents. Other officials in courts, including the Senate and popular assemblies, played important roles in the legal process. As the Roman Empire transitioned from a republic to an empire, the emperor became the ultimate source of law and governance. With the emperor's decrees carrying the force of law, the governance structure changed, concentrating power in the hands of the emperor and his appointed governors. Roman law and governance left an enduring legacy. Its principles of legal equality, protection of property rights, and the division of powers influenced legal systems and governance structures around the world. The Roman Empire may be ancient history, but its legal and political achievements continue to shape our modern world. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Roman law and governance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow history buffs. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge and unraveling the mysteries of the past. See you soon. Roman law and governance in the Roman Empire played a crucial role in shaping the civilization and establishing a system that lasted for centuries. The Roman legal system and governance structures were highly influential and have had a lasting impact on modern legal and political systems around the world. Roman law was characterized by its pragmatic and systematic approach. It evolved over time and encompassed a wide range of legal principles, procedures, and statutes. The early Roman law, known as the Law of the 12 Tables, was compiled in the 5th century BCE and served as the foundation for subsequent legal developments. It addressed various aspects of civil and criminal law, property rights, contracts, and family law. One of the key features of Roman law was its emphasis on the concept of legal equality. It recognized the rights and responsibilities of all individuals, regardless of their social status or origin. This principle of equality before the law contributed to a sense of justice and fairness within the Roman society. To administer and interpret the law, the Romans developed a hierarchical judicial system. The highest judicial authority rested with the praetor, who was responsible for issuing edicts and presiding over civil cases. The praetor's decisions formed the basis for legal precedents, ensuring consistency and predictability in the legal system. In addition to the praetor, there were various other officials and courts involved in the administration of justice. The Senate played a significant role in legislative matters and had the power to enact laws. The Roman people themselves also participated in the legal process through popular assemblies and the election of officials. Another important aspect of Roman governance was the division of powers between different branches of government. The Roman Republic, which preceded the empire, had a system of checks and balances that aimed to prevent the concentration of power in the hands of a single individual. This system included 2 consuls elected annually, a senate composed of influential citizens, and popular assemblies that had a say in decision-making. However, with the transition from the republic to the empire, the governance structure changed. The Roman emperor became the central figure of authority, concentrating significant power in his hands. While the Senate and other institutions retained some semblance of their previous roles, their influence diminished over time. The emperor held the highest political and legal authority, and his decrees carried the force of law. The concept of the emperor as the ultimate source of law and justice, known as the Principate, remained a fundamental principle throughout the empire. The emperor appointed governors to oversee the provinces, ensuring the enforcement of Roman law and governance beyond the city of Rome. Roman law and governance had a lasting impact on subsequent legal systems. The principles of Roman law, such as the protection of private property, contracts, and the presumption of innocence, have influenced modern legal frameworks in many countries. The Roman approach to governance, with its emphasis on legal equality and division of powers, has also influenced the development of democratic systems. Roman law and governance in the Roman Empire were characterized by a systematic legal system, legal equality, and a hierarchical judicial structure. The evolution of Roman law and the concentration of power in the hands of the emperor shaped the legal and political landscape of the empire. The principles and institutions developed during this time continue to influence legal systems and governance structures worldwide.